How to remove object in Picku. Got a photo bomber, trash can, or random object ruining your pic? Let's remove it. Tap the plus icon and tap Caesar icon. Select the photo with the object you want to remove. Scroll through the bottom toolbar. Look for remove, eraser, or repair depending on your version. Use your finger to paint over the circle. The unwanted item, tap the eraser. Zoom in for the better precision. Start erasing. You can add background to match the photo. Now tap eraser, increase the size, and zoom it for better precision and start tapping. If the result isn't perfect, tap undo and try again with a smaller brush or tighter outline. Once the object gone and you are happy with the result, and tap the save. And that's it. You have just erased distraction like a pro using Picku. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more fast photo editing hacks. See you in the next one.